Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today I'm going to show you how to create shortcuts for apps on Windows. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. First, find the app for which you want to create a shortcut. If it's on your Start menu, right-click on the apps and select More to open file location. This will take you to the folder where the app's shortcut already exists. Now, right-click on the shortcut and select Send to and choose Desktop. This will create a shortcut on your desktop that you can easily access. On the other hand, if you don't see the app in the Start menu, you can find it in the Program Files or Program Files x86 folder. To find that folder, choose this PC. After then, choose Local Disk. And you can find the apps from one of these two folders. And that's it. You have learned how to create shortcuts for your apps on Windows. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX and hit that like button for more real-time problem solving videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.